At Afforda Print we can supply you with printed QR codes. Here are 5 reasons to use QR codes in print. Number 1. Since COVID, just about everyone of any age knows how to use a QR code. Number 2. Easy access. QR codes eliminate the need to type in long website addresses. This allows easy access to a website or dedicated landing page. Number 3. Increased engagement. QR codes can help facilitate ongoing engagement. They can link to a newsletter sign-up or social media subscribe. Number 4. Measurable results. With QR codes you can track how many are scanning and what they do next. Number 5. Cost-effective. For no extra cost, easily add a QR code to any printed item from a folder to a business card. For all your printing needs, choose Afforda Print, where we have the cure for the common card.